everyone, welcome to page BunTMJ Arise and welcome to our short video. Nice to see you again. In this video we're going to learn about fruit. Do you like fruit? So are you ready? Let's get started. For the first word we have fruit. Fruit. Fruit spelled F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. For example, what is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit? For the second word we have mango. Mango. Mango spelled M-A-N-G-O. Mango. For example, the mango sticky rice is a famous dessert in Thailand. The mango sticky rice is a famous dessert in Thailand. For the third word we have orange. Orange. Orange spelled O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. For example, there are many vitamin C in orange. There are many vitamin C in orange. For the fourth word we have banana. Banana. Banana spelled B-A-N-A-N-A. For example, the banana is good for baby. The banana is good for the baby. For the fifth word we have apple. Apple. Apple spelled A-P-P-L-E. Apple. For example, yesterday my friends brought me some apples. Yesterday my friend brought me some apples. For the last word we have pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple spelled P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. For example, in Cambodia can plant pineapples. In Cambodia can plant pineapples. Please repeat after me. Fruit. Fruit. Mango. Mango. Orange. Orange. Banana. Banana. Apple. Apple. Pineapple. Pineapple. Very good, everyone. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you like this video. Please try to remember all the fruits that we have learned today and try to make the sentences and leave it in a comment. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up, and if not, we will have check. If you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.